What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have this Ultrasonic pest repellent. So this is something like the pest repellent that I reviewed before. Those other two I have in my veggie area or garden area, whatever you want to call it. So usually I test these out. I usually do the squirrel test, in which is a test to where we see if squirrels will go for the nuts or not during the ultrasonic test. Now remember, if you have a repellent around your home, usually you don't have food around your home. So don't take my squirrel test as like a very, very serious test. And remember, squirrels, they damn near do anything for nuts. So let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. I did get this from Amazon, you guys, so link will be in the description. The first thing you get is the instructions. Oh yeah, and this is solar power, you guys, just to inform y'all on that. And here we have a USB, micro USB. Oh, this is pretty cool. So you can hook this up on your deck or wherever you want to hook it up. Maybe you want to screw it up to your house or somewhere close to your house. So they have two little screw holes right here. You know, those tight where you put the screw in and slide down. You know what I'm talking about. This may be the sensor. So you have your speaker, your LED eyes, solar panel up here. I'm just going to go ahead and take the protection off. Now it's not new anymore. All right. And let's go ahead, start putting this thing together. It goes on just like that. It don't click, so it is easy to take off. All right. Then we got the bottom part, has a clip right there. I say this is about a good 12 inches as far as here to here. On the back, this is the sensitivity adjustment. If you're looking at it from the back like I'm looking at it, so on your left is the sensitivity adjustment. On the right is the frequency. All right, so let's go here. Let's see if it. All right, so it do have some type of energy to it. Oh, it has different sound. That is insane, and the lights are glowing like crazy. Oh, you guys, I'm ready to do this test now. All right, you guys, so I had the sensitivity all the way up on 6, and it seemed like it didn't want to cut off. I want to go ahead and start putting it in the lawn, and let's see what the squirrels do. I will try to put my GoPro out there. If not, I will put my my hunting camera, the sensing camera, out there, just to see if we can. I wish this clipped on, but oh, it has a button here on the side. Don't know what that is yet, and I don't want to touch it yet because I don't know. Yeah, let me go ahead and put this out. I'm gonna start reading more of this stuff, and I will let y'all know more information once I have it out there. Wow, you guys, this thing is very loud. Okay, everyone, so we are out, and one thing I want to say is I'm a little frustrated because I didn't get the footage where the other squirrel ran, so I only have the squirrel that's braver than anything. So yeah, it looks like obviously that the product don't work, but the product did work against one squirrel. So I guess the one squirrel or the other squirrel don't like sound, or get irritated with sound, but the sound do not bother this squirrel one bit. I mean, not one. Like, through this whole video, the squirrel keeps going and he eats most of the nuts. And we're about to come to another clip in a few seconds here, and it's the same squirrel, you guys. It's the same squirrel. He right there by that little tree bark or tree trunk right there, and now he's just digging, burying his nuts, and he will be back. So this squirrel right here is not scared of any sound. So maybe it's like, some people are scared of sounds and some people are not scared of sounds. So there he go. He's coming back. and you're going to hear the siren go off in a little bit because he will trigger the sensor. And for the next like minute or so, it's the same thing, you guys. So the other squirrel never came back because they don't like that sound at all, like zero. But I am upset that I didn't get a chance to put that out for y'all. Unfortunately, the footage on that one got messed up, so it is what it is. I didn't test this against anything else. One last thing, this thing is very loud, you guys. I can hear this in my front yard, so I'll give y'all a little abbreviation on that. So where this is right now compared to where I was in my front yard is a good 100 feet, you guys. All right, a good 100 feet, and yeah, it's pretty loud. So your neighbors will definitely be a little upset with you. But anyways, you guys, that will be all. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.